the same basic shape repeats on every which way. You can see it right here. Look. You can see it right here. How it forms a hand like this. Going up and down and up. I mean, I'm doing a shitty ass drawing. In comparison to that. But see how it does the same thing. I mean, it's incredible, man. See how the outlines of one hand create the fingernail for another. And I mean, only, like I said, only a God could create something that complex out of one shape of a hand. This is insane, man, but it is. See, look, I mean, you can, I will give $100 to anyone that can debunk what I'm saying. Because, like I said, I have studied these images for 18 years. Like I said, at first I saw figures, animal, demonic looking eyes and shit, but when I really finally found the code, it was a hand, thousands and millions of hands in so many directions that create figures. And it plays with your mind because you associate those figures with things that you have seen or you think you see. It's not that so-called pareidolia. That's the intention of this thing. That's what I'm saying. Only a God could create something that incredible. So that's the signature of the designer of this solar system and this visible universe too. It's on everything. Let's see this one. 16 hours ago. That was 4 hours ago. Check it out. There they are. Look at up here. Very colorful. But you see, they all are on top of the planet. The ISS is swimming through that. This structure, these filaments are attached to everything. And the shape on those so-called clouds is the same thing, hands. It's all the same. Look. Let me move it back to show you the most visible one right there. It out. Look at this right here. You see the other finger right there? And another one. And another one, and you just keep repeating. I mean, there is no other shape on those so-called clouds. That's a structure. It's an organic electromagnetic structure projecting the exact same thing, but in the cloud-looking deal. Because this thing is attached here, 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 here. I mean, it keeps repeating here the same way. The hands, and they form enormous hands. So you're looking at the translucent structure, and then they go this way, and they go this way. You see how complex it becomes because of the repetition and the overlap. It becomes an impossible thing to do the drawing. And it turns into any material. Gassy, is hard, is soft, is translucent. It becomes translucent when it is on the top of the planet, and on the bottom where we are. And here it looks like that, like a cloud. And you can see that it just keeps repeating on both ways. This way, like I say, I'll challenge anyone to debate. I welcome the challenger. In this corner, the hand. In that corner, your shit. Let's see who wins. Check it out, this hand right here, it's all clear. Look, right here. Look at the thumb, the index, the middle, the ring, and the pinky. Look, like this. Look, the fingernail is dark, but it's part of another one. And you can see the finger going this way. Look, it repeats the fingernail, repeat here and here and here. It's a fractal. And then it goes the other way too. Boom, 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 like that, a gigantic hand. This finger becomes part of a gigantic hand that goes this way. Look, this is the fingernail for the thumb. And it goes down too, and I mean diagonal, down, horizontal, and it's translucent from here up into space, translucent, and from here down, same thing into the ground, what we call ground. It's a insane shit that we are in. I mean, the designer is a badass dude, bad. Designer, that's his signature. You see how this forms a huge white hand? Like I say, only a God could create something like that. That simple and complex. Simple from the basic shape and complex because the way it is all interconnected. Oh my God, the camera was too bright. I'm gonna repeat all this. See, and it look like structures, and it look like all this. Is none of that. It's all illusion. Look at that, my. Now I know exactly. Look at that dark tube that goes straight down. Wow, my goodness, never seen that one. Check it out. It looks like a dark tube, but it's really the shape of the. Wow, man, look at that. You see this division right here? It's a shadow deal. The hand, man, that's the final frontier. It looks like structures. It's an illusion. All of it is an illusion. It makes you think that you're looking at structures. It's all the same geometry, but it's so intricate it makes you see shit. Yeah, I used to see giants and entities, and no, none of that, man. It's all illusory. This is like an organic electromagnetic bioengine.